When the world's most dangerous rescue mission unfolds before sunrise, only one team stands between chaos and disaster. Deep in the hostile heart of Iran, a U.S. assault team moves with deadly precision. Their mission? Rescue Qiqi, a CIA operative trapped behind enemy lines, and capture Iran's supreme leader. Every alley could be an ambush, every shadow might hide an enemy. As the team infiltrates Tehran, weapons poised and nerves taut, the stakes couldn't be higher. With global tensions on a knife's edge, one mistake could ignite a war. But these soldiers aren't just fighting for a comrade. They're racing against time to prevent worldwide catastrophe. Will they make it out alive? Or will Tehran become their final stand? Dive into relentless action, razor-edge suspense, and impossible choices in Operation Iron Phoenix. Available now. Are you ready for the mission?